Feeling stressed right now? You're not alone. Life gets hectic and sometimes it feels like there's just too much going on. Deadlines pile up, plans change, responsibilities never seem to end. Before you know it, stress has a tight grip on you and you're feeling overwhelmed. But what if I told you that you don't need hours to calm down? You don't have to wait until the weekend to unwind or take a vacation to feel better. You can find relief right here, right now. How? By using some simple tricks that are backed by science. Yep, there are scientifically proven methods to help you kick stress to the curb in no time. No fancy equipment, no expensive retreats needed, just a few moments of your time and a willingness to try something new. Here are 5 quick, science-backed ways to reduce stress fast. Tip number 1, breathe deeply. It sounds simple, right? Just breathe, but this isn't your everyday casual breath. We're talking about a specific pattern of deep, controlled breathing that can shift your body and mind from stress to calm. The key is to inhale deeply for 4 seconds, hold your breath for 4 seconds, then exhale slowly for 6 seconds. This pattern creates a calming effect on your nervous system, telling your brain that you are safe and helping you relax. Tip number 2, drink water. Now I know it might sound like a basic tip, but staying hydrated is more than just quenching your thirst. Drinking water can actually help reduce stress hormones like cortisol. So next time you're feeling overwhelmed, take a moment to have a glass of water. Not only will you be nourishing your body, but you'll also be doing your mind a favor. Tip number 3, listen to calming music. Music has a profound impact on our emotions, and there are certain tunes that can work wonders on your stress levels. Studies show that listening to calming music for just a few minutes can slow down your heart rate and ease tension in your body. So why not give it a try? Put on some soothing melodies and let the music wash away your worries. Tip number 4, progressive muscle relaxation. This technique is like hitting the pause button on stress. It's all about tensing and releasing different muscle groups in your body to promote relaxation. Start by tensing the muscles in your fists, then move to your arms, shoulders, and so on. For each muscle group, tense them for 5 seconds, then release. As you continue this process, you'll notice your body getting looser and your mind getting calmer. Tip number 5, practice gratitude. When you're stressed, it's easy to focus on what's wrong or what's missing. But practicing gratitude can shift your perspective. Take a moment to think of 3 small things you're grateful for. It could be something as simple as a sunny day, a delicious meal, or a supportive friend. Gratitude has the power to rewire your brain, helping you savor the present moment and letting go of stress. And there you have it, 5 quick and easy ways to tackle stress, backed by science. Remember, you don't need to wait until you're completely burned out to take action. These techniques can be game changers when you're feeling overwhelmed, so why not incorporate them into your daily routine? Try deep breathing exercises during a coffee break, listen to calming music before bed, or practice progressive muscle relaxation after a long day. Your well-being matters, and it's worth making time for. So next time you feel stress creeping up on you, reach for one of these evidence-based strategies. You deserve it. And remember, you're not alone in this journey. Reach out to friends, family, or colleagues when you need support. Together you can conquer stress and embrace a more peaceful, balanced life. If you found these tips helpful, share them with others and let them know they can find the full video on our channel. Also, if you'd like more simple science-based tips to improve your mental health and overall well-being, consider following us. We've got plenty more where those came from. Thanks for watching. Until next time.